Today, I'm going to show you the brand new update from Windsurf AI that helps you build AI SEO websites fast. And these websites can earn thousands of dollars per month. And I'm going to show you exactly how to automate this in one single click. Plus, you'll get all my free strategies, prompts, tips, workflows, everything you need to start building your own websites using this video. Now, if you're wondering, okay, how much money can you make from these websites? Here's an example. So using a very similar example, Cheaper Birds, you can see the revenue of this website is $21,000. And you can build similar websites in a much faster time versus other CMSs, like, for example, WordPress, using Windsurf. It's absolutely amazing. So all you need to do is you download it. I'm on the free plan. I think I'm on the free trial right now. You can pay like $10 per month, but if you want to use this for free, you can. And once you get started, you're going to see something like this, all right? Now, the way to use Windsurf is basically you create a new window. So you just go to new window over here, and it's super simple stuff. You just click on open a folder, and then from there, you're going to click on new folder. Now, remember where you store this stuff. Remember where you put the folder, because if you don't remember, it's lost, and then it's going to be very hard to deploy it later, which is exactly what I'm going to show you. So from here, we're just going to put, okay, $1,000 per month website. And I'm going to show you many different use cases for this particular example, right? So from here, it's going to ask you, do you trust the authors? I'm going to say yes. It's going to ask you about GitHub repositories. Don't worry about that. And then from here, what you've got is the chat to build websites. And over here, you've got the project files to create your website. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how easy this is to use. And you can create these in literally like seconds if you want. So, for example, let's say we take this website that was making us thousands of dollars before. I showed you the screenshot proof of that already. And let's say you want to just replicate it. All you do is you take a screenshot of the website like this. Then from there, you're going to copy the image. We'll go back to Windsurf. And then inside the chat over here, we're going to insert the image. Now, if the image is too large, so for example, you see I screenshot it here and it says over 1 megabyte, pretty simple stuff. All you do is you go onto your screenshot, go to export if you're on a Mac, and just cut down the file size, right? Like you see like that. And then we can upload the new version. Now, this is a brand new feature. And then you can see now we have the image uploaded over there. Very nice. And then for creating the actual website, all you need to do is you would say something like create an affiliate SEO blog about birds. My name is Julian Goldie. So you want it all tailored to yourself. Amazon affiliate ID equals make this website about bird watching, etc. And then you can say like use the same design as the attached screenshot, right? So then we can go back onto Windsurf AI. We can plug that in. We can hit enter. And literally in one click, you can create that website. Super simple and easy. And you can see here how the AI is now beginning to run, and it's using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Now, what you can see from here is it's going to create a new directory, set up all the files, etc. And you can see how simple that is. Now, I want to come back to the use cases for this and help you understand exactly what to use and how to do it, etc. But before I do that, if you want the video notes from today, if you just want to quickly scan that QR code right there, you will get access to all of the notes from today, along with 53 SEO tools, how to rank #1 using all these methods, and also a free community of over 1,300, of over 1,000 SEOs who can help you with your questions, right? So just scan that QR code, you get access. But in terms of what the new update means for you, because you can now screenshot images, etc., well, you could use this to recreate websites just like I did. Just be careful of copyright, but you can see how powerful this is. You can, for example, rebrand content or websites you already built. You can create, if you see a feature on a new website you like, you can recreate it and emulate it. Don't copy it, but emulate it and use it for inspiration. If you see a tool you like, you can probably recreate it in Windsurf. And if you see a style of content you like, for example, the writing or the way it's formatted, you could create that inside Windsurf as well, like you see right here. Now, from here, you got the information and it said, all right, let's begin by creating the image directory, etc. We're going to hit accept. And basically, this is going to figure it all out for us, right? Now, if you're wondering, okay, surely it's not that easy. So if we accept all of these files and all these changes that it's made, right? So we just click accept, we ask it for the prompt, and then we click accept. And then from here, we'll click on reveal in Finder. That's going to give us the index.html file. And then if we go into a new tab on Chrome, we can grab that index.html file, and boom shakalaka, we have the website ready to go, right? Now, obviously you want it branded, you want to insert some images, etc. But for a shell of a website, in literally a few seconds, was that easy? Can you create $1,000 Can you create websites like this that are earning money? Absolutely. Really, really easy and powerful. Now, you can add the images, or you can ask it to remove any images. So you can say, okay, remove images plus brand colors equals, and then just type in your brand colors if you want to rebrand the website, etc. And then also from there, I'll show you some prompts on how to build out the actual blog content. So we've got the design of it, we've got the layout of it, that's great, but actually we want the rest of the content inside the block as well. Now, there's many different websites you can create using this method, but this is just a few, and I'll show you many different examples. This is just website example number one of how to build out a money-making website using Windsurf AI. Now, what you also see over here, this is a new feature inside Windsurf as well, is you can click on explain, and then that will actually explain the code, right? So it's really, really cool stuff as well. So if you want to understand the code, if you want to learn what it means, problem solve any errors, etc., all the red stuff, then you can quickly fix that as well. So now we can take prompt number 2, like so. We'll plug that into the document. And these are just some keywords and pages we want to create, etc. Now, it's not going to create all those pages at once, and don't expect it to be perfect, right? There's going to be broken links, there's going to be images broken, there's going to be content that doesn't work, etc. But if you just keep being patient and going back and forth with this tool, then you can create something really, really cool. Now you can see, for example, it's updating the styles to make it more modern and beautiful. It's added some categories to the content. It's starting to plan and figure everything out, which is great. Now, whilst we're waiting for that to load, let me show you how to deploy the actual website itself, right? So what you can do is if you go to Netlify, you log into Netlify, and then from here, you would just click on add a new website. So add a new website over here and import an existing project. So we're going to click on import an existing project. And then from here, click on try Netlify drop, right? And basically all you need to do is take the project folder that you created previously and drag and drop it into here, right? So for example, if we go to documents, and I wish someone had shown me this earlier, because once you know it, you're like, oh, that's so simple, but no one shows this stuff on YouTube, right? So if we drag and drop that existing website into Netlify, like you can see right here, it's going to deploy it. We open up the project, we can open the production deploy, and then you can see the website right here. So here's another deploy I did a couple of days ago. You can click on deploy, open it up on a test website. And if you're happy with that, once it's on the test website, then from there, you can actually host it on a custom domain, right? Or you can add your own domain, right? But you can see how easy it is to create a brand new website for myself, send traffic to my funnels, rank it, and then also deploy it, right? Now, if you want to actually put this on an actual domain, not a test domain, so for example, like juliangoldie.com or whatever it is, then once your site is deployed, and I've shown you how to do that just a second ago, then from here, you go to set up a custom domain, you plug this in. So for example, juliangoldie.com, and then we'll hit verify like so. Boom shakalaka, $14.99, we can get that website hosted. There are no hosting fees from what I can see inside Netlify. It seems to be like you just buy the domain, that's it. And then you probably pay the domain fee each year. But you see how easy it is. If I click that button right there, it's going to host it, it's going to deploy it, and it is going to make sure the HTTPS is set up on the site. So I don't need to mess around with WordPress. I don't need to mess around with a CMS. I don't need to mess around with anything. It's just so simple and easy. It's like, right, create the website here, upload it here, boom shakalaka, all right? Now, I don't know why I love saying that on YouTube videos, but it does feel good. So now we've got the new version of the website right here from Windsurf. We can click on reveal in Finder. We'll go back to Chrome and just preview what the new version of the website looks like. And there you can see the new version of the website is ready to go, right? You need to add your own custom images, but you would do with any website on the universe, in the entire universe, right? If you want to insert images, you need to put your own, etc. But there you go. Website created, and you know how to host it. Now, let's try another website. So here's an example that I created on October the 29th. Got it hosted, it got indexed within a few hours. There's a case study on YouTube about that for proof if you want to see some. And then you can see here how it's getting clicks every single day, right? 543 clicks in the first month. So the way that we did this was with bulk.new, but you can do it easily inside Windsurf AI as well. So we'll create a new folder again. So a new window, open folder, new folder, plug in the prompt that I'm going to use in a sec. We'll click open. We'll trust the authors. I'm speeding through it because I want to show you how quick and easy this is. Then from here, we can plug in this prompt that says, create a beautifully designed slow day calculator, SEO optimized for the keyword of actual content on the page relevant tool. Then from there, we can hit enter. And in one single click, we can create the website. And you can just build out these new websites. Pretty crazy stuff, all right? Now, one caveat to all of this, all right? And I'll come on to some other websites you can build in a second. But you know how to deploy this. Just make sure you do quality control of everything, right? That's on to you. I can't show you that in a 10-minute video. But if you want a quality control checklist, I've included that inside the video notes so that you can make sure you manually quality control any content you're putting out there and you're not spamming the interweb site. With great power comes great responsibility, my friends. And this tool does make you powerful. You can also see here how sometimes it will suggest terminal commands. And basically what you can do is if you want to just host it locally, you don't want to drag and drop the file into Chrome, etc., then you can usually just run the Python code and it will start creating that for you as well. So for example, it's creating a virtual environment right here. I don't use Python. I don't understand Python, but this no code tool is very powerful for just getting this stuff set up quickly and easily. So you can see here how it's created a local version of the website. So it's hosted locally. Windsurf does run locally on your laptop, which is cool because then you can reopen the project. You've got it saved as a folder on your laptop and you can reopen it, make any changes to the site, add new pages, etc., change anything that you need to, and then redeploy it on Netlify. So, for example, that website we were building just now, you can see like the snow falling down on the page as well. That's a pretty nice effect that it's just created. It's created the whole page so you can see, and then it's added some information about what we can do, etc. Now, the way that you can monetize this is you either send the traffic that lands on the website to whatever funnel you're trying to make money from, or you just put ads on the website, right? There's two different ways you can make money with it. Additionally, if you can find a relevant affiliate product that you could send traffic to as well, then that would work really nicely as well. So you can create like a quiz website, and then with the quiz website, based on people's answers, you can then funnel traffic to whatever you want. So just to recap, you can see how powerful this new Windsurf AI update is because you can screenshot stuff and then you can build like $1,000 per month websites fast based on what's working for me. You can see what the new update is, all the use cases for using it. I've run you through that. I've given you all the prompts from today and the video notes as promised. What I've also done is I've added a few more SOPs that you can test as well. So for example, like how I build free SEO tools, how I create local SEO directories, the calculate website method, and the exact match domain method as well. Just in general, like there's so many use cases for Windsurf. It's absolutely mind-boggling. And bear in mind, these are just my ideas. I'm sure you probably have better ideas than me if you wanted to test this stuff out yourself. So thanks so much for watching. What I'm actually going to do is I will take the video notes from today, as I promised you, all the way through this video. And by the time you're watching this, it's already ready for you. So if we go inside the classroom, then we're going to go to the Windsurf AI section over here. And we've added a new page with the video title, as you can see right here. And the video notes are right there. So you get access to everything inside this module right here. Just scan the QR code, or if you can't scan it, just check the link in the comments. And if you want a free one-to-one SEO strategy session, feel free to get that link in the comments description. We'll show you how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 business a month and generate thousands of dollars in sales on autopilot. On this free link building acceleration session, you'll get a free SEO domination plan, discover the secrets of SEO link building, we'll answer any questions you have one-to-one. You learn the best link building strategy for your website. That's how to quickly outrank your competitors in link building, how to 10x SEO traffic based on what's working for us. Feel free to book that in. Appreciate you watching. The goal of this channel is to help as many of you watching as possible. You can see all the amazing reviews we're getting through, and we just want to help you as much as we can, all right? Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.